We see QR codes absolutely everywhere today, on restaurant tables, product packaging, business cards, and event flyers. But let's be honest, most of them look exactly the same. They're just boring black and white squares that tell your customers absolutely nothing about your brand. Worse yet, if you use a generic free generator, you're stuck with a static link. If your URL changes, or if you spot a typo, that physical printed code becomes instantly useless. What if your QR codes could do more? What if they could match your branding, track your data, and adapt to your business in real time? Welcome to GetQR, the professional platform built to turn simple scans into powerful connections. GetQR reimagines how you build and manage your codes through a clean web-based dashboard. There's no software to install, and you can go from an idea to a fully functioning code in 3 simple steps. First, select your type. GetQR handles everything from website URLs and social links to PDFs, videos, Wi-Fi networks, and custom multi-link landing pages. Second, customize the design. You can change the colors, frames, and patterns to match your style and drop your company logo right into the center. Finally, download your file. GetQR exports crisp, high-resolution formats like PNG, JPEG, and vector-based SVG, ensuring your code stays perfectly sharp on a smartphone screen or a massive outdoor billboard. What truly sets GetQR apart is exactly what happens after you hit print. It is all about giving you total control. Take its dynamic editing capabilities. If you print hundreds of flyers and your destination link changes next week, you can log in and update the URL instantly. The physical code stays exactly the same, but it routes to the new page automatically, saving you from expensive reprints. You can also control when your codes work by scheduling go-live dates, setting expiration times for limited offers, or even adding secure password protection for your most private documents, ensuring your data stays safe. But how do you know if your marketing is working? GetQR's advanced analytics dashboard gives you a clear breakdown of total scans, unique visitors, peak times, and physical locations. Plus, with built-in link health monitoring, the system checks your links around the clock. If your website ever goes down, GetQR alerts you immediately so you can fix it before your customers notice. Stop settling for boring static squares. Head over to getqr.com today to start your 7-day trial for just $1. Design your first custom code and make every single scan count.